Welcome back, everybody. This is an exciting one. We're actually going to be hopping in to DaVille Skateshop.
Word around town as I got the city bumping. And frankly, they did not see that coming. I'm the perfect mix of the Gestapo
And we're going to upgrade this Phantom C1. We're going to be doing a cosmetic upgrade. And yeah, I'm talking about grip tape at this skate shop. Let's hop in and see what Terry has to say. What is up?
Hey Carson, how you doing, man?
Doing well. How you, Terry?
Good to see you. Electric, huh?
Yeah.
Can I scoot on it?
Yeah, try it out.
He's friends with Doolin, and you know, have you met Doolin?
Yeah, dude,
You know
Doolin's
Doolin. Of
rad,
course you
man.
know
I love
Doolin.
that kid, man.
Originally bought this at Best Buy. I bought a lot of them. Doolin actually has a couple too.
What do you mean you bought a lot of them? What's a lot? You bought 4 of these?
I bought 4 of them because I had a discount. So
Okay.
right before I quit, I was like, you know what?
Oh, you were working there. That's
Yeah.
a good discount. Our grip is a little different. It's a little bit more grippier.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Dr. James. Some art stuff, some Bubba Fett, anime, funny. And then there's this like tie-dye.
Right. This is
you
what my
know?
girlfriend would want.
Artsy.
Oh yeah.
It says frog, like F-R-O-G.
That's definitely very abstract.
Orange.
Jeez, that is even brighter than the scooter. Pretty funny.
It's actually got a sheen to it.
Yeah, I
Wow.
noticed that. I kind of like this one.
This
Kinda
is going to
funny.
feel the closest to the grip. Like if you
Right.
feel like the grip, because it's got so much graphic, it's going to make it feel more like this grip.
Right, right.
Now this one is where you see it's clear.
Oh,
Where
it's
the
clear.
black and clear. So whatever's underneath
I
it.
think I don't know for sure, but I think what's underneath
It's
is
the yellow.
yellow.
So it'll be a black and yellow.
That would actually be really cool. If it is yellow underneath, I think that might be the move.
Yeah, it is.
The see-through would definitely be a cool look.
Glow in the dark.
Oh, really?
Glow in
No
the dark.
way. That's pretty sick.
If I
Torn
had to choose
between that.
one, you could do some glow strips or something.
Oh, right.
Like
yeah.
we could cut it and then cut the checkerboard so it's like checkerboard with glow on the sides.
Could even put pieces on this right here.
Yeah.
On those little pieces.
Yeah, yeah. It could also scratch up stuff that you put in there.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, it's true.
Grip tape will. Depends on what you're putting in there.
I think this would be really sick.
You like the eyes?
I do like the eyes. Why not just do it now?
Okay. Get into some light over here.
Now, in order to get on this new grip tape, we're gonna, of course, have to take off the old grip tape, and that's just gonna take some, good old sweat and muscle. I'm really excited about this checkered, especially because it is clear.
So I'm going to try to get this piece off in one take so we can trace it and get the shape right. So the first thing we're going to do is peel this back. Hopefully I can get this in one piece. I want to trace the shape. Oh man, look at that off.
What would make this scooter better would definitely be some front suspension, some back suspension. I hop speed bumps with it, and the impact coming down always hurts. Now that looks pretty sick.
I think it looks great. I think it looks way better than it did before.
I agree, this is sick. And he said I'll always have someone watching me now. You ever watch Hot Ones? You've never watched Hot Ones?
What is Hot Ones?
Hot Ones is like where they eat like super spicy wings and then they have like an interview. You've never watched it? That's crazy. Yeah, so basically at the end of Hot Ones, after they go through all the torture, the host basically says to the guest, is there anything you'd like to say, anything you got going on that you kind of want to promote? And so that's basically your plug right now. And you got DaVille right behind you, so Anything you want to say? You know, new projects.
Well, we just finished a bunch of projects, so there's really we're still working on phase 2 of Matt Hughes Skate Park. We'll be having some more fundraisers coming up to be announced, and hopefully we'll get phase 2 done by this fall. We're looking forward to a busy summer, so come out and see us.
Check them out in Fayetteville. That's where the party's really happening, but we're out here in Myrtle Beach. Thank you again, man. That was awesome.
Appreciate it,
You did a
Carson.
great job.
Thank you, man. I was wondering if the snake has the bird's eye in its mouth.
You see the reflection there? You see what I mean?
Right.
I pondered on it.
And then you got like all this coming out. Why? It's probably
I feel like
blood.
possibly.
Yeah.